everybody, my name is Mike Beaumont from Warrior Enchantment and welcome to that new exciting tutorial. And we are continuing in our knowledge about Unity and further we're going to make a beautiful game. But actually I'm show you the basic about Unity. Okay, and today we are going to talk about Terrain. Okay, I'm come here on my game object 3D object here and um, terrain here. Okay, the terrain is very important, very important. Okay, where is our terrain? I'm going to double click. Okay, is there, and our main camera is also there, and we are going to arrange our terrain. Yes, maybe like that. Okay, and by default the terrain is like that. If you want to do modification about your terrain, you will come here on the inspector here. You'll see that sign here. This is if you want to bump your terrain. Okay, we're going to click on that. Okay, you have that tools here. You're going to choose which bump are you going to do. Okay, we choose this one. You have here the brush size. This is will be if you want to increase the size, and you have here the opacity. Okay, and we come inside here. We're going to increase the brush size, okay, like that. And when we zoom inside the terrain, when I click on my mouse, left click. Okay, are you seeing? Whoa, yeah, it's like that. Okay, okay, yes, I'm going to click, and you're going to see some reflection in your terrain. If you want to disable this reflection, you will come here on the Windows, Lightning, and you see here we have an ambient intensity. We have also the reflection source is from Skybox. Here, the Skybox here, we're just going to disable, not disable, but change it in custom. Okay, and so uh, window lightning and just decrease. Okay, like that is not so bad as we're going to modify this terrain with the tool, and I'm going to change now to change this one by this. You're going to see, pay attention. I want to do it's like that. It's like that. If I change, take the store and go right click, it's going to be like that. Okay, this is for bump your terrain, and this one will erase all that modification. You see, yeah, now we are erasing. We are erase. You have also the brush size and the opacity. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is the first possibility. You can come here, or you can maintain your shift, and if you were on the first raise low terrain here, you maintain your shift and you click, it also erase. Okay, you can erase that that bump by holding your shift and left click, or you can also come here. You have two possibility. Okay, and this tool is I'm going to zoom a little bit to smooth. Okay, we're going to have some smooth. Are you seeing? Okay, and let us come here. Look, we're going to smooth the for give some smooth in the terrain, and this here will be for to paint. If you want to add some texture, you will come here and you have edit texture here, add texture. You have a non-texture 2D here. You're just going to select your 2D texture, and I don't have texture here, but we're going to import. You will come here on asset, you click here, and sorry, import new as assets. Okay, after click there, where I have put its asset, and sorry, warrior enchantment, game of environment, texture, not this one. Okay, material we have here ground. Okay, I'm going to choose something like race. Okay, it's going to load. Okay, now I'm come here on the asset here. I'm going to create a new folder. Create a folder. We're going to call this one to be a texture. Okay, texture. Oh, sorry, texture. Okay, and I'm going to apply now that texture here on the terrain. Come here on select. You see we have gray 0 around the fuse, and just click there, and we just going to head. By default is 151500 here, and just head. Okay, now you see we have a beautiful texture in our terrain. Okay, we're going to zoom. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Okay, and if you want to add some sand, we're going to add also some sand inside the terrain. We're going now to import. Okay, I'm going just to drop these my grass here inside the texture folder here. Okay, now if I click on texture here, we have our grass. I'm going to import to a new asset here. The asset will be just sand. Okay, we're going to take some minutes. Okay, we have a new texture here. Like I click here on the texture folder, the asset here is imported inside texture. But if I click here and import here, it will be on the asset here, and you just will have to drop inside texture. Okay, and we click on terrain here. Okay, we'll come here on the brush for pen texture, have edit texture here to add another texture. Okay, non-texture selector, we're going to select our crack. Okay, then add. Okay, so pay attention now. If I want to add some sand here, with my left click, I'm going just to click. Oh, sorry. First, you're going to select here. Now we are on the grass. If you click here, you will see no change. But you're going to click here on the sound. Okay. When you do like this, you're seeing. I show you. Now you are adding some sound. Okay. I'm going to Control and Z. Okay, we're going to back, or you can come here on edit here. It was redo. If I do, we redo, but edit, undo, it redo. We're going to reduce the brush size. Okay, like that. I'm going to make something like path. It will be come here. here two. So again, if you want, you can do many things, and what I'm going to talk to about is here on that texture here. If you come here, you edit texture and edit that texture. On the size here, you write 1, you see, let us zoom, and here 1, it will be like that. Very, very, very beautiful too. And if you 15, it will be like this, or you're saying, okay. So let us put 1 on the y2, 1, okay, like that. This can be very, very beautiful. Now we have our terrain here. We can add two. I'm going to add okay, and you can add to some object here inside. You can add cube, double click on cube. Our cube is here. Okay, I'm going to move the cube, okay, like that, and I click on my camera. Okay, the camera is very far, very, very far. Let us bring the camera inside our game. Okay, and when I'm click on the game, it's like that. And if I enter in play mode, there will be no action about to move inside the scene. Okay, there are no way to move. Okay, thank you for watching the tutorial, and we're going to see for the next tutorial. My name is Mike Boma from Warrior Enchantment.